What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be installing an electronic boost controller. So here's our boost controller. Nice little electronic one from ECU Master. So it is a Mac boost controller, and it is also a 3-port boost controller. It's got 1, 2, 3. This middle one is like a vent for it. It's just vent to atmosphere. You just put this little plug in that they provide, and then you got your 2 ports for the car. The port 1 is coming off the turbo, port 2 goes to the wastegate. So it also comes with this guy. It's a little like rubber, like bushing sort of. I decided to mount it there because in here we've got this nice access hole and we can tighten the nut. And when it's just chilling down here, it's pretty far from the turbo and everything, and also the wiring harness is going to be down there as well. So this is the boost control solenoid. It's got the 3 ports. The one is this guy. It's like a 90. And he is what's coming off the turbo. So before we put the fitting in, we are going to put some Teflon tape on it. Alright, now we got all the ports and we got the Teflon tape on. Like I said earlier, this guy in the middle is just like a vent to atmosphere. Number 1 comes from the turbo. Number 2 goes to the top of the wastegate. If you have an external wastegate, if you have an internal wastegate, it goes to the only port on your wastegate. So we got her in. She's all plumbed up, good to go. Line there is number 2, and that's going to the top of the wastegate. The other line, number 1, is right there. He's on the turb ski, and that goes here to the other side and port number 1, and then again that's a vent to atmosphere. So that is how you're supposed to plumb it. Alright guys, we got our T fitting in. So now we've got boost going to the lower part of the wastegate and then also going to the boost controller, and from there it goes to the top of the wastegate. Now the wiring won't be done today because we're nowhere near getting this car ready to start. I have to rewire the cabin first, so we'll do that last, but it does come with the plug and the pins so you can make it yourself. So this mount is like it allows it to move. I guess that's normal. If they provide it with the solenoid, I'd assume that's normal. I guess so the hoses, or I honestly don't know why. I guess so it doesn't damage inside there, the little board that's probably in there, the little control board. So yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. I just want to get the boost controller in and then get the boost lines all cut to length, ready to go. This will be part 1. Part 2 will be the wiring. Once we get ready to start the car, we'll dive into the wiring and tapping into the harness so we can get boost by gear and have the ECU control that. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Just leave a like if you did, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.